What's going on, everyone? So today we're going to be opening up this Dura-Beam Deluxe right here to see what exactly it looks like on the inside. So they actually have a comfort level right here, and so it says the Deluxe is the best comfort level. So, we'll have to test that out, see what it looks like. And then they have a few things right here on the back. Soft velvety pillow top. That's what the word is, velvety. And then quick fill plus built-in pump, and it's got a carry bag, even better. So let's go ahead, open up this side right here, and then let's see what we got going on in the inside. So there we go, and then we got the carry bag on the back. I'm gonna put that thing over there, and then let's see what this carry bag is looking like. So here we go. We've got our INTEX carry bag, and then we've got a patch kit and a few notes for ourselves. And then, oh gosh, that was a bad throw. All right, so there we go. So let's go ahead, open up this thing, see what this velvety top looks like right here. And here we go. Let's actually put it this way. And I'm pretty sure this is the twin size right here. I should have that right, twin size. So yeah, pretty solid right here. I can definitely see that velvety top that it's talking about, which would probably be nice because that means, it's gonna be like a solid temperature whenever you come lay on it, meaning that you're not gonna lay on it. It's gonna be like extremely cold at nighttime or anything like that. But yeah, right out of the box, super good. I really like that. Sorry, I got the hiccups. I really like that INTEX bag that it comes with. And then let's actually see one more thing right here. How long is the hose? That is something important. All right, here we go. Pretty solid length hose right here. I feel like it might be good 5 feet. So yeah, pretty solid hose right there. Definitely highly recommend it so far. What's going on, everyone? So today we're gonna be seeing how long this air mattress actually takes to inflate. So I'm gonna go run over here and start it once I actually plug this thing in and get it moving. So here we go. Let's push this up against the wall right here. And then pretty easy knob. We either got inflate or deflate. So let's go ahead, inflate, and timer started. So yeah, super interested to see how long this thing is actually gonna take. There we go. About 51 seconds and pretty inflated so far. And we're coming up. This thing's just super tall. So it's got a lot of air to fill up to get all the way up. And almost done. We're coming up on 2 minutes right here. Let's go ahead. Let's see. And there we go. It's done. 2 minutes. So yeah, that's how long it takes. 2 minutes right there. And honestly, that's a pretty solid time. So yeah, that's how long it takes to inflate the INTEX Dura-Beam. What's going on, everyone? So today we're gonna be taking a look at this INTEX Dura-Beam air mattress. So this is a twin size air mattress right here. That's the size that I got for this. And so it inflates in about 2 minutes exactly. I actually just timed it. It's got this cool like cushion thing going all the way around it, just kind of letting you know where the edges are. And it's got a velvet top. So that's super solid because whenever you go to lay on it, you don't have to worry about being super cold whenever your skin actually gets on it. And you know, I mean, I don't like being cold in bed. So yeah, that honestly helps out with it a lot. And then with it being the twin, I'm about 5'10", so let's say if I was laying on it, I still got plenty of space lengthwise. So I would say you could definitely lay on this if you're about 6 feet, maybe even 6'1". Anything over that, I don't know. I've never been 6'1" or over 6'1", so you know I have no idea. But yeah, 5'10", I fit perfectly on it. Very comfortable right here, honestly. I could definitely just stay on here for the rest of the video if I wanted to, just laying down like that, but I won't. So yeah, the entire thing's velvet too, and the inflate and deflate valves are also very simple to use. You just kind of turn it one way for inflate, turn it the other for deflate, so that's very helpful. Definitely enjoy that. So yeah, overall, definitely highly recommend this air mattress right here. It's definitely a really solid air mattress. What's going on, everyone? So today we're going to be deflating this air mattress and actually timing how long it takes. So let's go ahead and, you know what, let's just set the computer right here. So we're going to tilt that screen down. I may have to fix that. I don't know if it's, you know, in the direction of the film light or anything like that. But yeah, I'm going to first hit deflate and then I'm going to actually start it. So let's go right here and start. There we go. Sorry, I flipped it the wrong direction at first. So here we go. Oh man, this thing is going down at a very good speed right here. Pretty impressed so far, honestly. Here we go, getting pretty close. A minute and 48 seconds. Just trying to get the rest of it out. Two and a half minutes coming up on it. Here we go. And we're almost done. The creases of it are just falling. And there we go, completely done right there. Bone dry sweat, about 3 minutes and 10 seconds. All right, here we go. So today we're gonna be folding this air mattress up and trying to get back into its bag, just seeing how simple it actually is. So first thing I'm gonna do, fold it over like this. And one more. There we go, get the rest of the air out of that. And then fold it one over right here. Fold another over right here. And so even though I didn't get all of the air out completely, it's no big deal because it still just pushed itself out. You might have been able to hear it right there. So now let's go and actually see if I can get it back into its bag, how hard or easy it is. So, and there we go. Just like that, back in its carry bag right there. Honestly, super simple. Yeah, usually I'm like fighting with the bags to get them in. So yeah, really simple to get it back into its carry bag. Definitely highly recommend it.